What happens if you never sleep again? In 1964, a 17-year-old high school student named Randy Gardner decided to stop sleeping. Not for money, not as a dare, he did it for a science fair project. Randy stayed awake for 264 hours, that's 11 days and 25 minutes, without a single minute of sleep. He was closely observed by doctors and scientists, including Dr. William Dement, one of the most respected sleep researchers in history. At first, Randy was fine. But by day 5, things changed. He couldn't focus. He forgot what he was saying mid-sentence. By day 10, he was hallucinating. He thought a road sign was a person. He couldn't finish simple tasks, or even speak properly. After 11 days, Randy finally slept and recovered. But today, scientists agree, this experiment was extremely dangerous, and it should never be repeated. So, what if you never slept again? Let's break it down. What really happens to your body and brain when you stop sleeping? After 24 hours. One night without sleep may not seem serious, but it is. Your brain slows down, you can't focus, your reaction time drops, just like someone who's drunk. Studies show that after 24 hours, people are more likely to make mistakes, become emotional, or even get into accidents, especially when driving. After 48 hours, 2 full days awake, now your body starts to struggle. You feel cold, shaky, or dizzy. Your immune system weakens. You may get sick more easily. Your brain begins to glitch. You forget simple things. You may start hearing or seeing things that aren't real. After 72 hours, at this point, your brain begins to microsleep. That means small parts of your brain shut down for a few seconds, even while your eyes are open. You could fall asleep while walking, or driving, or cooking. Your memory, emotions, and judgment all fall apart. You may feel angry, confused, or afraid for no reason. Why is sleep so important? Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. When you sleep, your brain removes toxins, your body repairs cells, your memories are organized, your hormones are balanced, your stress resets. Sleep is fuel for your brain. Without it, your body simply cannot function. Can you die from no sleep? Yes, indirectly. There's a rare disease called fatal familial insomnia. People with it lose the ability to sleep, and within months they die from exhaustion and organ failure. Even if you don't have this condition, long-term sleep loss can lead to heart disease, stroke, depression, diabetes, even early death. Back to Randy Gardner. Randy recovered, but experts now say his brain likely took weeks to return to normal. He never did the experiment again. In fact, no sleep study since has pushed that far because it's considered too dangerous. So, what happens if you never sleep again? You lose focus, then memory, then health, then, maybe, your life. Sleep isn't a waste of time. It's a biological superpower. So tonight, when you lie down and close your eyes, remember, you're not being lazy. You're giving your brain exactly what it needs to stay alive. If you enjoyed this English listening practice, subscribe for more real science, deep stories, and simple explanations every week.